I started professional wrestling when I was 19, I believe. Wrestling has brought me closer to my classmates, surprisingly, because I didn't know there were so many people who loved wrestling as much as I did here. So being able to wrestle, and not only because the hand-to-hand rec center where I do wrestle is right next to this main campus, having my classmates, my teachers, my family be able to show up and support me, it's such an amazing feeling. I chose the TV and film program because I wanted to work in live production, and I also wanted to get skills in videography and a little bit of photography. All of the stuff I was able to get through just these like 2 years is honestly amazing. I was able to get jobs at the Citadel, Stingrays, SC State, working for different colleges and branching out and doing my own videography. I feel like this school really does its best to help you get where you want to be in your field. I learned that I'm smarter than I think I am, honestly. And I also learned that I'm really good at multitasking and being able to branch out and experience a bunch of different fields. I came here with the main goal of doing live production, but I've been able to branch out into photography, videography, and even being able to help out on film sets. So I feel like that has helped me a lot. And even just communications, I feel like I'm gotten better at networking. People who inspire me are my wrestling trainer, Bob Keller, and my live production teacher, Sorel Samante. First with Bob Keller, he inspired me a lot because not only has he been able to teach me a lot, he's also been a wonderful father figure for me. And Sorel, he taught me, obviously, everything I needed to know about live production, how to run camera, how to run 3-play, and how to direct. And he's been able to give me just many different tips, even on my documentaries, my videography. He'll point out little things that I didn't even notice, and just through that, he's helped me perfect my craft. The next step is to go to SCAD, which is the Savannah College of Art and Design. So after I graduate from here, I plan on going there and getting my bachelor's. I got to college because of my mom, to be honest. I always saw myself going to college. I think I still have this picture in my phone saved where I was in my senior year and all the colleges came by and they gave us these flyers and you could grab which school you plan on going to. And I still have it. I had Trident in one hand and SCAD in the other. And I'm just halfway through it now. So I'm still on track. They're gonna be excited, definitely gonna be excited. They're gonna be very happy. My mom's probably gonna cry a lot and even some more after, but she'll be excited and everyone's gonna be proud of me. I'm gonna be happy. Can't wait to see my friends and family there. Graduation to me is proof of work. I feel like when you get that diploma, it's proof that you got yourself here, you did what you needed to do, and that you've completed your task. To me, this graduation feels like not necessarily a stepping stone, but it's part of my journey. It's not done yet, but it is a part of my journey that I would love to take with me. I've met so many amazing people who just helped me get on the right path in life. I don't know where I'd be if I didn't go to Trident first. If I had something to say to the class of 2026, I'd say no matter where you get in life, no matter how sad you get, just know that this world is a better place with you, and make sure you keep up with your mental health, checking on your friends, checking on your family, checking on those people around you. It is free to be kind. Just try your best to be the nicest person you can, help those around you, because you never know who needs it.